Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Make sure you're signed in and can access settings. Administrative rights aren't required for this change. Open settings by clicking Start then the gear icon or press Windows plus I to jump straight there. If you prefer keyboard navigation, type Airplane Mode into the settings search box and press Enter. This gets you to the correct pane faster. It avoids digging through network menus. Once the Airplane Mode page is visible, prepare to turn radios back on by locating the toggle labeled Airplane Mode. Now that you're on the Airplane Mode page, flip the Airplane Mode toggle to off. This command tells Windows to re-enable wireless radios. Once off, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth show as on in the same settings area. Sometimes they remain disabled and must be re-enabled separately. If settings is slow, open the Action Center with Windows plus E and click the Airplane Mode tile to toggle it. Make sure to wait a few seconds for networks to reappear. You'll see available Wi-Fi networks populate shortly. Finish by confirming the system tray network icon displays the Wi-Fi symbol or network bars. That means radios are active and you're connected. If you don't see networks, open Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, right-click the wireless adapter, and choose Disable then Enable to reset it. If that still fails, run the built-in network troubleshooter under Settings right arrow Network and Internet right arrow Troubleshoot and follow prompts to detect driver or configuration issues. If the problem
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.